Hi guys, my name is Adolf Nomo. Now the pictures you see right now, or the video you see right now, is not from a movie. It's not from a movie. This is a school in Lower Manya Krobo, right, in the eastern region. Now this school, from class 1 to class 6, primary 6, they don't have a place to learn right now, because in December last year, right, a wind blew off the roofs of their classrooms. And up till now, nothing has been done about it. Now, in this corona time, the kids are now being cramped. They are not being packed in a small computer room and the small library that they have in this corona time. It doesn't make sense to me. The assembly knew about this. The assembly sent an engineer there since December. Up till now, nothing has been done about it. And they are telling their kids to keep going back to school. They keep going to school. Who does that in this corona time, where corona is spreading like wildfire? You want kids to go and pack themselves in a classroom? Who does that? You have to be really wicked to do this. You have to be really, you don't have, you see, people who do this don't care. Why do you have kids, you tell kids to go to the school and then go and pack themselves like that? Right? You don't want them, you want them to spread corona among themselves and then bring it to the community? If you want them to go to school, then tell them or provide classrooms for them. That is the right thing to do. It is the right thing to do. I'm a bit upset, and I'm sorry about that, because these kids will get corona because they are being cramped in the classroom, right? From class 1 to class 6. Look at the roofs. The roofs are gone. And up till now, they've told the assembly about it. The assembly sent an engineer there, and they're telling them stories now. Oh, we'll come tomorrow. We'll come tomorrow. And the kids are going to school as we speak right now. Right? And they are being in these cramped classrooms. Why do you do that? Right? The Lower Manya Assembly, why are you doing that? Go and fix these classroom blocks for them. It doesn't make sense to ask these kids to go to the school in this. You see, it doesn't make sense. Right? Corona is killing people. Corona is serious. It's killing people. At least care a bit. Right? Care a bit. So, the Reverend Minister, the Anglican Reverend Minister in Luaso was telling me that they are now going to run shift. The kids are now going to run shift in Ghana. Kids are now going to run shift. Some people will go in the morning, some people will, right? It doesn't make sense. Yes? So please, the authorities, the education minister, the MCE, Lower Manya, everybody in charge of education, come on, all the leaders, right? Please go and fix this, because this is a disaster waiting to happen. Right? If the corona starts spreading right now, people are going to die in Lower Manya. And trust me, it is serious. Take it serious. It's not that you don't know about it. They've told you. You went there to look at it. Up till now, you are giving them stories. You are giving them stories. Why? Sorry, I'm a bit upset. Sorry. Share this. Share this. If you are a Krobo, share this. If you are a Ghanaian, share this. It is really important. Right? Thank you for watching. Thank you.